Well, a health fair is a great way to stay on top of general health needs, but if losing weight is a personal goal on the road to wellness, learn to manage that weight with advanced technology. Weightless is a medical clinic specializing in state-of-the-art fat reduction procedures, and here to explain how their technology works and to discuss other weight loss services, as medical director of Weightless, we have Dr. Bon Trong. Hello.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
It's great to have you. So let's talk about how the body changes as we age.
Well, you know, as we age, our hormone decreases, and to make it worse, our metabolism drops about 3% every decade after you're 30 years old.
Oh.
So now you tend to put on more pounds, and then what it leads to is a storage in our abdominal flanks or our thigh area. To make it worse, the skin stop producing collagen after you're 30 to 35 years old, so the wrinkles become more appearance to us as well too. And so with this aging process, it really affects how we feel about ourselves.
Yeah.
To make it worse, 90% of women have cellulites. So from a health perspective, what you find is that increasing weight and fat storage leads to impair chronic health condition. And the last part is that increasing aging process really impact how we feel about ourselves as well too.
Yeah. So then how do we address all these changes?
Well, you know, at Weightless we do two main ways that we approach it. We come from a clinical perspective. We measure your metabolism, your body composition. We measure your hormone, your dietary, and also your activity. We combine together and produce a really nice comprehensive program for you. The second way we do is do a medical procedure that's non-invasive, that's very exciting, with the Vanquish fat reduction, the Exilis Elite, where we basically contour and also tighten the skin, and the ZWave to address cellulites.
Okay, so tell me first about Vanquish that you just kind of quickly mentioned.
Oh, so Vanquish is very exciting. It uses radio frequency. It's a medical device, uses radio frequency, and what it does is that it uses heat to kill body fat cells. And so it can target areas like the core area where you tend to store a lot of fat, and it can reduce as much as 4 to 5 inches circumferentially.
Really?
It uses one of the biggest applicator on the market to do so, and it's really a great technique for us to do it. As you know, in the adolescent, the amount of fat cells that you have are set. Exception would be maybe during pregnancy. So when you lose weight, you really get decreasing the size of the fat cells. You actually never really lose it.
Okay.
The exciting part about the Vanquish is actually basically eliminating number of fat cells.
Wow.
Non-invasively. So it's really exciting for us.
Oh yeah, that is exciting. Okay, so and then you also mentioned too Exilis Elite. Tell me about that, and how is that different than Vanquish?
Well, the Exilis Elite is a unique machine because it also uses radio frequency and heat to kill fat cells. But it contours the body and target fats in very specific areas, like our arms, our abdominal area, our thighs, our saddlebag, even bra fat for certain people. And so that is very unique. In addition, unlike scope and what you see is liposuction, it doesn't, the Exilis tend to produce skin tightening as well too.
Oh.
So it really produces a nice effect, and it rejuvenate the skin and produce and also almost like rebuild the collagen, so you look younger as well too, which is what Botox cannot do.
Yeah, so that's kind of like a 2-for-1 then.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, tell me about ZWave then.
The ZWave is very exciting because it's a new medical device that uses radio wave therapy to address cellulite, and it does so by breaking down the collagen tissue, and so it doesn't give that orange appearance that you see on cellulite. And when you combine that with the Exilis, it really enhances the fat reduction of the Vanquish and also the Exilis as well too. So it's a great combination of the machine for us to use.
Okay, so who do you think would benefit most from these type of procedures?
Well, you know, it's very straightforward, right? People who want to lose fat around, you know, abdominal area, around your thigh, hip area that most of the time that we hate. In addition, you know, people that want to have younger, tighter skin as well too. So people over 40s, when you're not making more collagen, baby boomers, people who lost a lot of weight and have a lot of loose skins in the body, and that definitely will tighten as well for you.
And how quick do you see results from these type of treatments?
It's great because you definitely start to see within 2 to 3 weeks You start seeing noticeable differences, and especially when the way you feel in your clothes, and also tightness in your skin as well too. For the Vanquish, after the final treatment, 4 to 6 weeks after the final treatment is where you see the final result. For the Exilis, it tends to be after three months you'll see the final result of the treatments.
And is this something that is permanent?
You know, it really is. You know, the Vanquish and the Exilis, really the fat cell reduction permanent. But the one thing we want to key is really you want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and that's what our company embody. You know, we want to focus on long-term health, and we have a really comprehensive service to deal with aging process, and also a medical weight management program to combine both of those things together.
So you had the longevity.
Longevity for sure, and that's what's unique about us. And we're not a cosmetic, aesthetic type of clinic. We're really about longevity and long-term health for benefit for the majority of our population.
And how do our viewers then find out more about Weightless?
For Weightless, you know, you can call us, you know, as you can see our number, and also you can email us as well too. And we'll get back right away and provide you with some good consultation, what we can, the following step that we can proceed with.
Great. So more information, as you mentioned, online at weightless.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you very
much.
much.
Appreciate it, Doctor.
Yeah.
And everyone, make sure you stick around because we're going to get even more healthy with foods that can keep you happy and motivated.